Meet the Animals, episode 132, Numbat.
Wow! Who are you?
I'm a Numbat. Numbats are mammals. Where do you live? Numbats live in Australia. We like forests. But we also live in jungle and grasslands. What do you eat? Well, Numbats eat worms. Sometimes we eat other nuts too. Do you have any enemies? Koalas have our enemy. But kangaroos, Tasmanian devils, and eagles hunt us. Sometimes animals can hunt us too. How do you protect yourself? Our tongues are long and sticky. We flick our tongues into the anthill and stand with 10 kilometers. Do you ever climb trees? Yes, Numbats are good climbers. We use them running for enemies. Is that your tail? Yes, Numbats are great tail. We use our legs to find it. I'm ready to climb again. Bye.
Goodbye.
Numbat.